So here guys, you can see all the things around me. So you can listen that voice of the budgies, and this is they're just flying and hiding, playing hide and seek in this room, and this is the one thing that is happening. So, and I cannot able to switch the fan, because if I switch the fan, they will driven to death, and I don't want that thing. So oof, it's the really strange thing that is there. So anyways guys, see you all in the next one, and bye. Okay, let's move it forward. Let's let's move it forward. Okay, now it's good. So anyways, see you guys in the next one. Bye.